Hi, and welcome back to another video on an intro to coding for designers. So in the previous video, we had this thing and we were looking at setup and draw. Now, let's move the entire thing a little further down and type in something called int x is equal to 100. Okay, which is the same value as this. Just keep that in mind. Let's type in another one. Int y is equal to 210 for whatever reason. So that is this value, right? As of now, actually let's make this 200 because it's let's make that 150 as of now. But if I say stop and play, it's the exact same circle as the previous time. Nothing has changed, right? That's because these two things are there. We've declared something, x is equal to something and y is equal to something else, but we haven't used those values anywhere. What these are something called variables. Okay, this is like regular high school algebra and stuff. So instead of the first x there, instead of 100, we'll say x. Okay, and instead of y, instead of 210, let's make it y. Stop, play. You'll notice that it has moved slightly higher than it was. Earlier it was like a little lower. So basically what is happening now is we are using those variables x and y in our program, right? So now that we know that we are using that, what difference does it make? Well, you can play with it. So if you say x is equal to x plus 1, very complicated, what's this mathematics here, but the important thing is this loops infinitely many times. So it'll keep looping. Right? It'll keep adding this 1 back to x. So let's see what happens. Actually, while I've typed this out, try to imagine what is going to happen in the program when I hit this button run. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Did you guess this? What is happening right now is the x is obviously increasing by 1. So it was 100, it's becoming 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, and so on. Very, very fast. I mean, way faster than I was counting anyway. And what is then happening is it's effectively going back and redrawing this ellipse. And now x has changed. X has moved 1 to the right. And then it draws that circle, and then x is changed again. So effectively what is happening is the circle has moved slowly across the screen to the right. Right? So welcome to using variables in coding. I'll see you in the next one.